Now we have to make a post request, run our rasa server. This is rasa run enable API. It will run a rasa server in your local system on this port. This is the endpoint. Actually, when you making a post request on this link, it didn't give you any response because the open API are on different port, so you have to append some more endpoints to it, which is webhooks. REST webhook. This is the complete URL, and let's take a look of response request library. Now for making a post request, it takes two arguments. First one is your URL and second one is your data. We have our URL but we didn't have any data, so let's create our data. I'm creating in the form of dictionary because your rasa server needs two key. First one is your sender ID and second one is your message. So first key is your sender. You can give you any ID as per your choice, and for message you have to give your a message, let's say hi. So this is a message which you usually write on web interface, but now you are sending this in the form of request. Now let's make a post request. Our URL is RL, and make sure that your data will be passed as JSON, otherwise it will give you error. Now I will going to print this request. Also run our action server. Okay, cool. Python 3 response.py. Okay, it giving you a 200 response. If it gives you or returns you a error, then the response will be 400. If it giving you a 200 response, then your request is correctly being identified. Now I'm storing this request in some variable which is result, and printing this result. You can print it as a text, what text this response have. Okay, but this word response in the form of string. If you want in the form of JSON, then simply write JSON here. Now your response in the form of JSON, and it giving you that your receptant ID is 1, which is your sender ID, and the response that your chatbot is going to be feed by this message hi is, hey, how are you, how can I help you sir. If you say I want to order pizza, then it give you a menu. Yes sir, we have a Greek pizza and New York style pizza. Means this Python file is working very fine.